gonna go fast. There you go. 3, 2, 1, go. I did it. I started it. I started the train. I'm the best. I'm the best. I'm the best. Nobody's ever gonna bring me down. I'm the best. I'm the best. No, 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 no. 30, 20, and forget it. Hey, see if you see any big buck here. Oh yeah, I see a total big buck here. Oh my gosh, look how big that big buck here is. Big giant buck. I see a big giant buck. Oh yeah, there's a big giant buck out there. Oh, there's totally a big giant buck out there. See it? Yeah, maybe. Just sit still. What are you doing? I've been enjoying this nice peace and quiet. You guys have been really making that dog last year in this regard. Forever with that wood.
Yeah, they turn it into wood you build the house with.
Whoa, look at junkyard.
Train tracks right there. Never. Train line right there. That's pretty cool. Never spur right there. Look at that.
Stop is Miller. Miller and Lake Street is next. All doors should open. Watch your step and mind the gap. Once again, Miller and Lake Street is next. All doors should open.
Yeah, Millennium.
Miller Station. Interesting. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. For more videos, just I'm Ralph from
Oh, bucket truck, look, they're working. They're working power lines out. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh. They're working. Set some poles. Oh, they set all those new poles. Wow, they did a really nice job. Hopefully Daddy can do that someday. He wants to do a really nice job.
Your eyes got really large. See that other train pass?
We got an ice cream store. Gelato.
old train tracks right there. Still look good thing service. Decent shot. Look at that. That's awesome.
Maybe look at it.
Car, brand new tires on it. It's different. Much more back there. Pretty cool. Self-store maintenance tank. Short one. More Ford cars right there. Look at that. BNSF up there. Going to Norman. More track back there. Must be where they ship out track all over the place. It's awesome. Yeah.
Your neighbor out the window. You can watch them back in the shower if you want. I'm sorry, man. Good. Now you sit back here.
That old signal is pretty cool.
Our next stop is Gary Metro Center. Only exit where you see attended doors. Center doors will not open. Once again, Gary Metro Center is next. Only exit where you see attended doors.
Jane Astor right down there.
Go to that train.
Jane Astor right there. Look at that. Jane Astor. Look at that. That's awesome. Go on the train. Looks like. Airplane line announced. What's up, back in up, you guys? I'm Ralph Landon. Once again on the South Shore line. And Chicago. That water down there. Drainage.
I see one. Oh, I see turtles. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at this big ball. That's pretty cool. Wastewater. Wastewater treatment facility. A solid steel company. Special for steel bar plant. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. That guy got a new bag.
There's a highway right there. Look at that. Awesome. Oh, new stadium. Somewhat new stadium. Look at that. Who's saying it on it? And football. Football we're training for. Interesting. More train tracks? I think so. Coming up here. Train tracks there. Very shiny. Look at that.
All doors should open. Watch your step when they get it. Once again, Hammond Gateway is next. All doors should open.
South Shore parking. Right there. South Shore parking. Start stop.
Oh, workers, guys. Look at the work like grass.
Yeah. Real fan landing out. So we're back into the guys. I'm real fan landing once again on the South Shore line. Here we go.
Oh, I see a couple workers. Replacing the train tracks. Let's stay in their seat the longest. Whoever stays in the seat the longest gets gumball. You want a gumball? Then you gotta sit down. Daddy's gonna have
So that's real, and that's the Midwest Road people there.
Big buck here?
Work on cars.
Oh yeah, I totally see one. Oh yeah.
Indiana Harbor Boat Yard right there. It's Indiana Harbor Boat engine right there. That's pretty cool. The harbor. Awesome. 10 cars right there. Freight cars.
No, let mom have a birthday eve of just like hanging out.
Want to go all the way to
I'm gonna get her a full later. Look at all the graffiti. These are people spray paint. Like mama spray paint furniture. These people spray paint train cars. Look, they're really good artists, you know. Remember, look at all that. Come on. You see this guy back here?
I just saw one. I saw a bear.
Nice.
Oh, look at that line. It's kind of like Scott.
Next up is Heckwish. Once again, next up is Heckwish. All doors should open. Watch your step and mind again. Heckwish is next. All doors should open.
Old train line, look at that. That's an old one, man. So, old metro station there. Metro and South Shore. Turns right there. Pretty cool. Next stop is us. Okay. 20 minutes here, next stop. Rail fan land announcement.